Okay, save it and include it inside our user.js. Require it. Const user is equal require ../ models / user. From here we are going to import our users. Okay, now inside post, if there is no validation error, that means validation error is empty, then we will find the user by using email. Okay, so let's do it. User dot find on email. We will search by email, and here will be a callback function. It will take 2 parameter error, and second one will be docs. You can make anything, any name you want to name it as a parameter. At first, let's check for error. If there is any error to find user from the database, then it will handle that error, and if there is no error, then it will do something. Now check for docs. Actually, this docs mean after searching by email from the database, whatever the result we are getting from the database, if there is any user, that user is this docs. You can change the name to user, but for now I'm going with docs. Okay, if there is any documentation or any user with this email, it will send an error. Okay, then let's send the error. ERRORS. Remember, we made a array of error, so we can push new array, new whatever it called, new message object. It will say, and after sending the error, we want to render this error to our register page. So let's return the render page of registration. Copy this res.render and paste it here as well. And now here we are going to send a parameter. Errors is, actually this should be error message, and the value will be, actually we are making a new variable. This variable we are going to use inside our view engine, inside our register page. Okay, so let's use it. Inside this row, let's make a div tag with alert class, alert danger. Here we are going to make a condition outside of this alert. So let's make it. To make any if else condition, we just need to give two second bracket and hash sign. We are going to make a if condition. If there is any error message, then it will make a danger message, and we need to close this if condition. Next we are going to, because this is a array of our error message, let me show you. It is a array of our error message. Previously we have shown that error object. This is a error object, and this is a array of our error message, so we need to loop through all of the error. So let's do it. For using for loop, here in the handlebar we are going to use each tag, each keyword, each error message. Copy this, paste it below. We need to close each tag like this. Okay, if there is any error message, we are going to loop through all of them, and here at the very ending we need to show them. To know more about handlebars, just search for handlebar.js. From here click on get started. Here you can see built-in helper. There are some built-in helper. You can use if condition, each condition print for printing all of our errors. This is the way. Okay, we need to use this keyword, so let's use it. Here in between them, let's use this keyword, and by using index we'll get the index value in here. That means which index is this error present. This .msg, this error message is inside msg. Let me show you. This is the